Alright, it's Friday afternoon, a little early. I'm going to install my headliner. Don't you think I should? Looks good, don't it? Bam. Alright, here we are. I must show you. It's in. And it looks pretty good, don't it? If I could sew, I'd redo those too, but they look alright. I could redo these, but I don't know, they look fine. These are the speaker covers. I don't know, we'll see. But I think that's all I'm going to do today. I'm going to come back out here again in the morning and tidy up the interior. I don't think I'm going to dive into the wing or the back glass yet. I don't think. I need to do some other things. I don't know, I might. I need to see why the AC is leaking on that truck. Fix that, get it charged back up. Need to pull this thing out. I need to drive it a little bit. I ain't even drove it down the road since I painted it. My oldest daughter has, though. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Plus, I don't know what it is, but views are in the tank with this thing. Nobody wants to watch. Stupid light. You got to turn it off 500 times. Nobody wants to watch videos about an 89 Transam, apparently. That's okay. I like it. So, that's what I'm going to do. Come back in the morning. Well, I said I was going in, but then I got to thinking, you know, I ought to take apart that power antenna, see if there's some way of fixing it. I had a notion I'd fix it, but I don't think that's going to come to fruition. The gear and all is good, but it looks like there's supposed to be some kind of something here that ain't here, I guess. Or something like that. Yeah. Something has gone awry. So I guess I'm going to have to order one of them universal ones and put that on, hope it works for a little while. So I was going to go in again, but then I got to thinking, you know, I think I got a power antenna laying around there, and I think I took this out of a Lincoln Mark IV or whatever that thing is. The one with the 302, the Mustang motors. See, it says Ford. Also says assembled in USA. I wonder if I can make that work, if it works. I think I'll study on that a while. Now I'm going in.